So to access remote service tool from the machine, we will go to the 9 boxes, which is our apps button. Next we'll go to remote assistant service. It'll be the wrench icon. Once we're in remote assistant service, you will see a request assistance button. Once you select that, you will get a warning that tells you how to use remote assistant service, meaning the key must be in the on position with the engine off, just the same as it would be if you were hooked to an EST with a cable. Acknowledge the warning message, and the Pro 1200 will generate a 4-digit code which we would give to the remote service tool to the EST operator. So right now I'd be on the phone with my service department and I would tell them the code, the access code, and they will enter the access code into their remote service tool, into their EST using a remote service tool. Once the remote assistant service tool is activated at the dealership level, dealership activates that, wants to hook up to machine XYZ. Operator will get a notification on the display that shows dealership as well as technician name. The technician name is brought in by the login information that was put into the remote service tool when you accessed it, showing who's going to be hooking up and do you accept yes or no. If you hit no, everything will close out and cancel, and our remote service tool or EST will not hook up to machine. If you're ready to proceed, hit yes. Once you hit yes, the timer starts at the top showing how long we've been in session and who we're hooked up with. You can move around, look at other items on your screen. Maybe you're on the phone with the dealership and you want to go to your fault codes. You can go into your fault codes and talk about them, and maybe talk about the one fault code that you were inquiring about. So while navigating the display, if you'd like to go back to your remote service session, you hit the 9 boxes at the top, which is your applications button. Remote assistant service, just like we went into the first time. You can see our session timer is still running. We're still live in session. If you can see diagnostic session in progress, you can see what's happening on the dealership side, on the service tool side. If for whatever reason you would like to end the remote assistant service, you can hit the disconnect button. The dealership also has the power to terminate a remote assistance session just the same as we do from the display. Simple as hitting the disconnect button. You will have an end session pop up that just makes you confirm we're going to end the remote session with your technician. Acknowledge, and you will see session is turned off and back to normal operation. Nobody can access a machine unless there is a handshake made between the dealership and the machine. And a couple steps to make that, to ensure that is a secure connection between the two individuals.